Welcome to Naukri for You, an online study for you initiative. So guys, I'm back with another video, and in this video, I will discuss about two job opportunities. First one is from HCL and the second one is from Deloitte. So let's start discussing about these job opportunities in detail. And before sharing that, if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel yet, so make sure that you have subscribed to it and press the bell icon also, so that you will get all the notifications from our YouTube channel. Okay, so let's start discussing about the first job opportunity, which is from Deloitte, and the job profile is business technology analyst SQL production support, and the location would be in Hyderabad for this particular job profile. Okay, now let's start discussing about what they mention in their JD. So basically, this is about the company. So I will put the link in the description box so that you can go through it and have a look in detail about everything and then apply for this. So basically, let me tell you about the job purpose. They have mentioned in their job description. So this is an entry level position, and you will be responsible for working to resolve client issues in a timely manner and provide tier 2 support to resolve technical issues related to our applications. Okay, and if we talk about the key or job responsibility, role and responsibility for this particular job profile, so that would be work with tier 1 support personnel to resolve client issues in a timely manner and provide tier 2 support to resolve technical issues related to all compensation tools. Okay, and the second one is like collecting, understanding and transmitting the business requirements for the project and translating them into functional and specifications and detailed test plans. The next one is in the responsibility section, the section that is ensure issues are identified, tracked and reported on and resolved in a timely manner. Perform unit and system level testing on application. So basically, you have to test the application in in unit and system levels. Okay, so there would be in you have to test the applications in two levels. But first one is from unit, and the second one is system. And consistently meet client expectations and project deadlines, evaluate problems of the customers and provide logical lasting solutions. And who can apply for this basically? So 0 to 2 years of problem solving and solid analytical. These are the key skills that are required for this particular job profile. So 0 to 2 years of problem solving and solid analytical skills. If you have, then it would be you will get priority in this section. Self-started with solid analytical and problem-solving skills, strong focus on self-reviewed and providing high-quality deliverables, and good personal organizational skills and flexible enough to change direction to business demands. So basically, these are the skills which are required for this particular job profile. High level of attention to detail, ability to execute and deliver project deliverables on budget and on time, ability to integrate rapidly with existing team, include with individuals from diverse background and in a virtual setting, capable of handling high work pressure during peak months, ability to interact with individuals at all levels of the organizations. So basically, these are the skills which are required for this particular job profile. And who can apply for this? So basically, if you are if you are from BTech and BE background, so you can apply for this particular job profile. Okay, and now let me tell you that these are all about the companies, like corporate citizenship, recruiting tips, benefits, are people and culture. So basically, they have mentioned and they have described their company and work environment in detail. So yeah, as I said that I will put the link in the description box so that you go through it and have a detailed look and then apply for this. So let me tell you that how can you apply for this particular job profile. So just click on this apply now button, and then you will come to a new page from in which you have to enter your email address and password if you already have an account with Deloitte, then only. And if you don't have an account, so just click on this create profile, and then you will come to this page from where you just have to mention something like first on the first step you have to you can also apply with your LinkedIn account, and without LinkedIn account, if you are not on LinkedIn, so you just click on this copy and paste resume and upload resume. And then you will come to this next stage, which is personal information, in which you have to enter your personal information. The next, after submitting your personal information, you have to mention your job specific questions, additional information, and then review and submit. So this is how you can apply for this particular Deloitte job profile or job hiring. Now let's discuss about the HCL job hiring. So this is for freshers hiring, freshers engineers basically. So what is the eligibility criteria? So BE, BTech, MCA, MTech, MSc, IT, computer science degree holders with 0 to 2 years of professional experience from all regions of country of India can apply. So basically, you are from any region from India, so you can apply for this. And BE, BTech, MCA, MTech, MSc, IT, computer science candidates or students can apply for this. Okay, and if you are a fresher, you can apply for then also. And if you have 1 to 2 year of experience, then also you can apply for this. And BSc IT and computer science and BCA graduates with 0 to 2 years of experience from Lucknow, Kanpur, Vijayawada, and cities alone can apply. On getting selected, these candidates will be trained and placed in their respective cities only. Okay, and 65% in above marks in class 12th in graduation or post graduation. So you must have more than 65% or 65% for applying this for applying in HCL for this job profile. Year of graduation should be 2018, 19, 20, 20 and 2021. So freshers can also apply, as I said, and those who have 0 to 3 years of experience, they can also apply for this particular job profile. All selected candidates will be trained for IT engineer role. So if once you are shortlisted or selected for this profile, so you will get trained for 6 months. This will a program duration. And after that, if I talk about from the salary perspective, so it would be from 2.75 lakh per annum. And the program fee is rupees 1.5 lakh plus application test applicable taxes. Okay. And what they have mentioned in the HCL First Career program advantage. So this is about the HCL First Career. So the advantage of HCL First Career program lies in its ability to identify your first job at HCL, train you to be successful in it within 6 months, and place you in it at the end of training. So you will be get placed after the end of this training period, 6 months. Candidates who join HCL First Career program have the following advantages, like uh, global exposures, communication and leadership skills, accelerated professional growth, job assurance, employment benefits. And this is the detail about the program duration, like 3 months virtual class room training can be accessed from the comfort of your home, and 3 months professional practice term at HCL Technologies. And the fees for this program would be, fees of the program is 1,50,000 plus applicable taxes, and the training for the program will be conducted by HCL Training and Staffing Services, a subsidiary division of HCL. Deployment will be at HCL post the successful completion of the training program across all criteria. Okay, and bank loan assistant available. So you can also get a loan from bank. They have linked up. Okay, and this is about the HCL First Career program. So let me tell you that how can you apply for this. So basically, just click on this apply now, and then you will come to another page from where, so basically this is the HCL First Career official website, from where you have to enter your name, your email address, your contact number, your state, your city, and your highest qualification. And you have to enter your stream also. You have to select your program, year of passing, the percentage you have scored in class 12th, and graduation percentage also. And then just click on this register button. Okay, so this is how you can apply. You can register yourself with First Career by HCL Technology, and then you can apply for this job profile. So guys, this is all about in today's video. I hope this will really gonna very useful for you. So if you like this video, hit the like button and do subscribe to our channel. And please do share this video with your friends also, so that they can also apply for this opportunity. Okay, so till then, take care. Bye bye.